Unbelievable finds at the Dollar Tree this week. You know my cart was full. Come shopping with me at Dollar Tree and I'll show you all the best deals and new items at the tree. Let's get into it. First, I saw up front some household goodies. This brand new lemon collection is so nice. Everything in it is nice and bright and great for spring, but these right here, these glass cups with lids are going to go really fast. They are really very nice quality for $1.50. I had bowls and mugs and towels, but no plates yet. I think they should be coming in the next truckload. But there was also that Tupperware at the bottom, which was cute. And of course, the Mackenzie Childs dupe collection is also in store. Really nice quality as well. I think the blue is a little bit off, like the Mackenzie Childs blue is a little more of like a royal blue, but they're both very cute sets, both the pink and the blue. Every single piece was in store and they were stocked to the brim with this. So if you're interested, go now. These mugs also looked like they were very nice quality to me. I wanted to show you kind of a better view of them because they are larger. They are the larger type mug. I found this really cute strawberry shortcake light. It is an LED light. It's a table lamp light. And then right next to it was this galaxy light. Both of those looked to be really cute. I believe they were $5. And this is back in store for $7. I don't believe I saw this one last time. I did see the gold one. But for $7, that is a good price. It's at least $1 less than what you're going to pay at Aldi's or other discount stores, and they do work pretty well. They're very nice lights. This is probably the best deal I saw in the store this week. It is the thickest, heaviest carving board, and it is $7. It does say it's for spring, but you could use it year-round. Now, into the pet section, they had the absolute cutest Kentucky Fried Chicken little toys for dogs. They had several different ones. That's the drink one. And then they had this one that was like a wrap of some sort from Kentucky Fried Chicken. There was the Heinz bottle, really cute. That one had a squeaker as well. It's not plastic. It is more of like a material. And then there was this one with the drumstick and biscuit. Absolutely adorable. If you're making an Easter basket for your dog, those might be good basket fillers. There was this really nice looking shampoo, and it looked to be like it had a lot of the good stuff and none of the bad stuff. It looked to be somewhat moisturizing for your pet, so that was a really great find. Into skincare. Holy cow. There was so much. This DermaPrep skincare looked so good. This is the Collagen and Peptide Firming Intense Cream. You can pause if you want to see the ingredients. Look to be pretty good ingredients. This was brand new and really kind of cool. You get 5 eye masks with retinol, and I believe that the shape of it is intended to go kind of around your eye and on top of your eye. So it kind of includes the entire area of your eye, all of that skin. This was another great find by DermaPrep. This is the Hyaluronic Acid and Squalene Hydrating Intense Serum. It has some nice ingredients in it. There was some castor oil in there, some other nice ingredients that help soften skin. Looked like a really good product. These are Korean skincare, and they're new. They're 2 new face masks. They are strawberry and cherry scented, and these really cute little bow eye masks with niacinamide and rose water. And then the cherry ones have caffeine, and it says cherry. I'm assuming it's cherry oil. These little puffs are so cute. These could be really good basket fillers. They are licensed characters, and they are adorable, and they felt actually fuller than some of the other, little kid ones that we've seen in the past. Spa Essentials has given us 2 new face masks. These are peel face masks in the banana and cherry scent. They look really moisturizing. Nice ingredients on those as well. These are lip masks that are new by Embrace Your Face. I believe that is the brand. This one is the coconut mask, and it is nourishing. And then there is the strawberry sorbet mask. And this one says it is brightening and exfoliating. 2 nice new lip mask choices at the Dollar Tree. You get 5 masks in each box, so it's a really good value. And there's new Nightmare Before Christmas strawberry rose scented sheet mask, lavender vanilla scented sheet mask, and this last one, which is cherry blossom scented, all Disney licensed characters from Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, the absolute best find of the day are these Spa Essential scented oils. Now, I already said that the cutting board was the best, but this must be the second best. I picked up the Sun-Kissed Caramel. It smells so good. The scent lasts for hours. I love them. These bath bombs are new as well. They're by Amber Glow. They look to be really nice. They're large. They are in cute packaging. Of course, that Love Shack fancy type packaging. Absolutely adorable for $1.25. These are new facial serums. They correspond with the sheet masks that were out last year. There are 4 serums. Earth is green tea and niacinamide. Water is hydrolonic acid and aloe vera. Fire has ginseng and vitamin C. And air has ceramides and cica. Those look really promising. These are so cool. They're facial wipes with a mirror on the front. These are by Amber Glow. I believe you get 40 of them. This would be great for like in your car, on the go, travel. It's got the mirror right there, just kind of built in and ready for you to just take off, dirt, oil, and makeup. They had a restock of the power cleansing wipes. I know those are popular, so that was great to see. There are other cleansing wipes as well. These are Disney brand Nightmare Before Christmas, 3 different kinds in 3 different scents. Those look really nice. This is new. I've never seen this before. This is Neo Gold serums. There's 2-in-1 eye serum. It says it is dermatologist and allergy tested. It's supposed to reduce lines and darkness. And this is the hyaluronic acid serum. This is supposed to boost your water retention and moisture. I am excited for this one as well. The Black Snail Ampule Face Mask by Original Derma Beauty. It is Korean skincare. I can't wait to try this. I really love snail mucin, and I loved the last snail mucin mask that the Dollar Tree put out. These are new as well. They look really nice, promising, and quite hydrating. And I got to tell you, if you guys are looking for skincare and you want to try some new stuff at a really good price point, go to Dollar Tree right now. They are in their skincare era. These were hydrating hand and nail gloves. Those are new as well. These are new also, and there are more masks. These are by Skin Essentials. The first one was Matcha Moment. It has matcha and rice water. And this second mask says keep calm, and it is black tea and niacinamide. Now this I got to try as well. It's by Original Derma Beauty. It's got hyaluronic acid and squalene mask, and then there's a second step with a moisturizer. I don't know if it was the packaging or the 2 steps, but I really was intrigued and I wanted to try this. The cream that you use after the mask also has hyaluronic acid and squalene. These were so cute. I just can't get over it. The dog and cat depuffing under eye treatment. The dog one has caffeine and ginseng, and the cat one has niacinamide and vitamin C. These were really nice lip treatment masks by Global Beauty Care. That one is lavender lemonade, and this one is raspberry souffle. You get 0.25 ounces in a really nice container. That looks like a really good buy. These were exciting as well. I really like the idea of a stick serum, like for on the go. This is the Glow Getter serum. It's supposed to have vitamin C in it. It's supposed to help brighten. And then this one is supposed to be hydrating with hyaluronic acid. I did get the Glow Getter one, the one with vitamin C, to try out. So far, I actually like it. These are brand new scents. There's 2 shave cream scents that Spa Luxury has added. That is cashmere vanilla, and then this one is the colloidal oatmeal for sensitive skin. The cashmere vanilla smells so good, but I got colloidal oatmeal because my skin is a little sensitive. Now these are supposed to be Lush dupes. I did get one of them. They are very nice and thick and hydrating. I got this one, the sweet melon. It smells good going on, but the scent does not last. However, the cream is nice. This is the first time I've seen the Modus wipes in store in my area. I have been looking for weeks and weeks. I'm so glad I found them. I got a few of those. Now this is the Jake Paul W line of body wash, and there's also a 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner. I smelled both of them. They were very fresh smelling, a little bit woodsy, a little bit like pine, so very much a masculine scent. Both of those were very nice. I found this. This was so cute in the hair care section. This is a Kristen S scrunchie in the cutest packaging. I opened it already. It looks very Love Shack fancy for summertime, like very ruffly. These were also very nice, the Gimme Brow thick hair clips. I got a few of those. There were also some really nice Sophie headbands. Those are really pretty for springtime. I liked them. One of them was a little bit broken, but you could fix it and it looked really cute. This was kind of cool. It was a closeout, I think. It's a forming cream by Rashi. I've never heard of this brand before, but it does say that it has medium hold. It looked to be a very nice closeout for $1.25. These are so nice. They are Ardell Pro Brow Shavers. I do not shave my brows. I wax, but my daughter shaves her brows. And I decided these would be a really good gift for her. They also had some really nice Ardell Eco lashes in 2 different styles. Those are really good quality. I picked up a few of those to try out as well. These are very nice bath steamers. I think they would make very nice Easter basket fillers. They were large. They were in cute styles. So really good find at the Dollar Tree. This was very nice. Look at that blue. This is Koki Girl nail polish. I love Koki Girl products. They used to be carried by Sally's, and they're usually very good quality in my experience. So this was the Lonely Last Rehab Tip Nail Oil by La Mercier. I got it. I actually like it. Yes, it is thinner, but it has some extra ingredients in it than other than just oils that really are helping my cuticles. This is such a nice find as well. It's $5 bento box. It was really nice quality. It came in several different colors. I really liked the pink, but I really, really like this purple. I almost purchased it, and then I didn't because I do have several similar boxes. But I did get another one of these. I showed these a couple weeks ago. These are the snack stackers. They are nice snack carriers for sure. Now this is kind of cool. This is odds and ends now. This is a really nice little wrist lanyard. It came in 3 different colors. My son really wanted to show it to you guys. It came in black, white, and pink. I got a white one for when I'm kind of on the go and I need a wrist lanyard. These were nice as well in the craft section. They are additional tie-dye, individual tie-dye kits. They came in 3 colors at my Dollar Tree, but I've seen online they come in several different colors that we did not have. This is a new cleanser. It's called Pink Glow. It is a dupe for the pink spray cleanser. I smelled it. It smelled very fresh. It seems to have eco-friendly ingredients. This was nice. It's a little Black & Decker tool bag. My son was interested in this. I might go back and get it for him in his Easter basket so he can fill it with some tools that he would like to use around the house. But it was really good quality for $5. These are adorable. They are USB charging cords and power bricks in different snack patterns. So you see Doritos and Cheetos and Reese's. Really nice. I really like that. That's a really cool power bank, I think. And the Sour Patch one I got for my son because he loves Sour Patch Kids and he needs a new power bank. And then below they had some wireless headphones and speakers, again in the same food theme. So Sour Patch and Reese's. We saw Cheetos. These would make fun gifts for $7. And honestly, the $7 price point is worth it because something like this at Target or Walmart is going to be like $12, $13, up to $20. So a really nice find. Well, Fisher Price was completely stocked at my Dollar Tree. There were so many baby and toddler toys. There was this entire wall of just baby and toddler toys. They are a great name brand. You know they're going to work well. Great gifts for little ones in your family or friends or your own. Absolutely wonderful find. Well, that's everything I found this week at the Dollar Tree. As usual, the Dollar Tree was absolutely treating this week. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. Please hit the bell notification so I can keep you updated on what is happening at Dollar Tree. If you liked this video, you will like the next suggested video. Until next time, take care.